To open the Trust Wallet extension in Chrome, start by ensuring you have the extension installed in your browser. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Chrome Web Store. Search for Trust Wallet and click the Add to Chrome button. Once the extension is installed, you will see the Trust Wallet icon in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Click on this icon to access the wallet. You will be prompted to create a new wallet or restore an existing one if you have previously used Trust Wallet. If you are creating a new wallet, make sure to securely store your recovery phrase, as this is crucial for accessing your wallet in the future. If you are restoring a wallet, enter your recovery phrase to regain access to your funds. After setting up your wallet, you can use the Trust Wallet extension to manage your cryptocurrency, send and receive funds, and interact with various decentralized applications. Be sure to always keep your recovery phrase secure and never share it with anyone. It is also important to note that Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning that you have full control over your funds and are responsible for their security. Always be cautious when interacting with cryptocurrency and never click on suspicious links or provide sensitive information to untrusted sources. By following these steps, you can easily open the Trust Wallet extension in Chrome and start managing your cryptocurrency securely. Remember to always prioritize security and take necessary precautions to protect your funds.